Whoa, what are you? Oh my gosh, what were you doing here? Who are you?
I'm Berlyn.
I'm Elizabeth, and this is my friend Skye.
And, wait, do you come from the town where the houses are?
I think a lot of town has houses.
I don't know. I don't know.
Skye.
Yeah?
A lot of town has houses.
I know! And are you from Orlando?
Yeah.
Really? Can you show us the way, or did you get lost?
I kind of got lost.
We got lost too, and there's like this huge...
What was that?
It's the killer dog! Run!
I'm so exhausted. What's the killer dog?
We'll explain. First we gotta get to our rock. Come on! Here's the killer dog. Well, we got lost in the woods because we wanted to find out what a mysterious howl was. And then this dog went after us, and it was the killer dog. And it's trying to kill us, and it already killed Rain, one of the guys we found, and it captured Dark.
And we're planning on bringing him. Could you help us? His cave is like over here, but then we went all over the place, and now we don't know where the cave is.
It sounds kind of creepy.
It is
Could
creepy.
be fine as long as you live, as long as you stay with us. We've made it this long.
Yes.
We can make another week, another hour.
Um.
Ow.
At least you didn't land on me like you did last time.
Where are we?
Shh.
We're in the killer dog's cave. That cat, Dark, was such a good meal.
What was that?
What?
I don't know.
What? What's that? Dark. Rain, Dark. Come doing here.
Dark. Rain?
What happened to them?
Rain died.
What? Oh. I think it's a zombie.
Oh no, this is bad.
This is bad. This is bad. Our protector turned a zombie.
Ow. Ow.
You landed on me.
Oh, Berlyn, are you okay? I think my nose is bleeding. Wow, those zombies got us pretty good. Me right through the eye, Berlyn on the nose, and you on the ear
and the chest. Check that out.
How about we go back to the rock that you guys showed me. Okay.
Come on.
Oh, they're coming! Quick! I'm trying to.
Zombies are coming. I think Doug just died. Well, Doug's zombie.
I can't get up. No, try one more time.
Come on.
I think she has scared craziness.
What's that? Help me! Skye, Berlyn! No, Berlyn! Die!
You pushed him off that cliff?
He's a zombie.
What if Berlyn comes back to life?
Still off the cliff too.
Okay.
Because he's a zombie, I think he'll be better off.
Yeah.
Go!
Oh! Oh, I fell off. I fell off. Let's start over. Oh, man, Did you hear that? He ate Dark. Your hand's in the way, Bev.
What's that? What's that?
Run!
What?
It doesn't matter if the light... Do you come from...
Skye? I was finding that howl, but then we heard a creepy howl. It's the killer dog. Have you met him yet? Too fast.